Yeah,
the problem is with we the men. Young Qualano.
I could tell you say, young Qualano. Sadia no any bintam. So whom? Many say some many bintam sebia, many be 23, many be 24, none be didn't take that. No one's at the end that. Like I said, 25 for no more in a mediation. So whom? I could 25 ne 25 ni 23 hono na me be ma no at that time no oba na o ya me classmate na me fee 7 ni
on waware awo kra
ono na bi kra by 23 waware awo me bia
there's a young warrior age crowd
de bia kwenta e be ma be ware oba
30 20
age difference na 10 5 years ene sa na no so hu eti oba na hunu saade na afamu de me so no 30 afa na mahu ade no nti de mantimi ani no 25 nyina no bi bedi
ashi backlog
nti me wo backlog so hu egu akire e wo se me kotiti ni nyina de frim eno no so hu o se me kle egu zi ni nyina akota ya bra boss so aye bo no so ahwe a yenkomodi akoye me boy me girl me boy me girl ni boy ni ati so bi ehun se bi akwabna kese ne ma me nya akogina ho no again no okore no openare ni nti no ni gire
why that mindset
and no ni society no na dey about bedrusa
why should we conclude say the moment Bema no obejina ho de
se oye bibini na onde oba jina ho mo say ya jani say sabi
the girl no
ne girl no na okopena kwa akore no ana say onne no bibiye but me wa broni ba e wo ho kwan say ofa bema
Adam they can be friends for years
wa bra omonye saade no omo na aba ma ene ye nuan mo ma yi hyehyɛ bi say me best
sa best in kwa de o ma same
akwenta
who girlfriend now catch us the best in Waboa.
Until
Oma said that you should say the no more than you are friends with benefits.
Friends with benefits.
Best in there.
Best.
And so come to me, baby. I'm a do the same. Now come me a young boy and I'm a girlfriend. What I catch him so best in the Yabuama. I've got to.
And you are my
Sabestino. Okon boy on anya. No, this one about her. As I gra. No, my sex partners.
I
60s instead of besties.
Na kutanya bone.
I want to say.
Nyame de ma okwa. Ososo de ma me kwa.
Aboy de ma me ni nkoma wo se kan ni kan for twe nkoma kra. Ma quick one na me nkasa.
Say ye wie program na se me ko nkran sisi ya. Me count to asese bibia adware nka ho.
Yes, I'm now.
Me cancel some sort of taxi. One says me ye ebia me estimate ya. Me mfa dware nka ho. Ade me fa ye TNT. Se be ma ye na adwen se ne obedi bone a. Boss. Emfa ho ni age no. E one thing na was ye tiase because akom
ye be chichi o mo so agum.
Nyina na ye be che.
Dakoda.
Sa so for ni preaching so asama for kokro no boda. Enti Ghana Ace Commission. On be do mbeti ba boys ni so mu mua.
But
on be so mo ya ma aso mo di Ace ne beje ma no boss bo nya no na eti o.
Aso mo di hura ye bi na ka bo ase
ye. Spanish garlic mixture.
Oh my. I don't know. Nyame adum papa o my patron ka futo kakra ne say me wo doctor bi wo Kofanochi o say oba bema ono ne bag de bi kita na oba bi a condom ayo so 3 echim
jo so oba
bema onam ba bi obedem bi ama condom encounter
how
bibi etmisi o my fan say last year me ko share akronfo they nearly raped me. Inti mikita condom at least say kasa so what I say. Aha. The way I was situated mun so eto asumu.
E just say can robber no e ba so a. Now we are here office say da no beda. So pacho wo de je.
De ba to my no cray. E be boa because people na obey no minim de won.
Onim de won ho na onim so betima nyi sense so a wo so nya adwen so be ya boss.
Debi.
To advise man say
oba ne be ma nyina obia na mo nkita kondo
me na manam kuta kondo
o kita bag am bi nko mo pocket me bi nhyem enya bone kwan so
na o yire kodu fie na o yire ko hu
ma yire ne nti ase ma ne ene ne nkasa
na mo nche te move
ya
ya
kita bi fa na mo so kita bi fa na
so oba no bia inspection
na ya inspection wo njini ndi na ba ya inspection me fa ho o condom kita o
Debbie o mama kwabra 5 mama ayi mama yako 5 only the ho afi the next time we go here we aka 2 no I can't tell you say oba na don fu bi I don't want you. What are you casting? Cause I
say, it's here for any adult for Antakebal Center, Mre Ena Edrusi, Antakebal Center, Aya Jumakua, ye didn't rock who damn me and sa Abeja my SO. Now yen run a Spanish dingo capsules, a BM Spanish garlic mixture, and a Spanish garlic capsules. Now enro is a whoop be atwa. Oko pharmacy shop, chemical shop, and a herbal shop, Abenya Spanish, enro ni bibia ato. One a open do etunun sono. Enfa one an interim. Ewo PFA Pharmacy, Colinac Herbal, Danny Herbal, Freddie Men's Herbal, Misty Herbal, Hame Herbal, KNG Herbal, Nisi Pharmacy, Baseline Pharmacy, Apidank Herbal, Nase Owo Boase Ensoa, now the Weni Atrium, Ewo Smart Herbal Suye, any baby a yetuno, etono, Babenya Spanish, a droni bibia etu ato, Mempacho G number no. Nani doctor Anchocho Nkomo eya na wajinche mu abru mi die eso eya na wabuta ko so bia opese obuta every doctor ho ye number no eye 0266 11 41 0266 11 41 eye Spanish 3 powers combined.
Okay.
So what ye me pacho ye sha say Spanish garlic mixture and a Spanish garlic capsules eso. Enroi yes Spanish garlic mixture and capsules it me mienu nyina ane. De meka cho ane sen ka bebo homodin no ato mienu nyina. Obekas na sika worden. Sika worden enso ya de ba so oboka chen de ode kwa koto Spanish edroi emienu enyina. Na edro Spanish garlic mixture and capsules e haba mama akoma dunsia. 16 powerful herbs plus garlic nsuo afei ewo enso ewo mu enu nti edro we ye adwuma entem so ankasa wo ye obi anase eta peja wo ye obi ohonma na wonsa ayetitiriti anase wonsa agene wo ye obi ohonma na wonan agene obi onmo se metina toilet city so a na ye mesa esa se me de na eti obi se me de wa me pa cho obi ane de openti we anya de ope a otena se onsori na ne nan agene afi no de ne sawe no nyina peja ne nan esi baabi anase ode ne nan pempem honom so wo tie na sesa oha we bi ewo so a edro me kan for ede amount Spanish garlic mixture and a Spanish garlic capsules made of opa pharmacy shop chemical shop and a herbal shop like opa dre bi eto so ko na catch us Spanish edro no asa and unti edro for forma a year adwuma to Spanish amento esan say edro bi and one man Spanish a year adwuma kro anase ese no e ma ye mfa so kwa enkoda no achenchina me pa cho na se tata wo ye obi atena se che wo ye obi a wugina wonom eche wo ye obi a wudi akoniaba ane wadwuma wo ye no eye nante a edro American for ede amount Spanish garlic mixture and a Spanish garlic capsules so no numbia edro we boa ebiebie wuntinu mu emount na ma moja no enya akonya efa entinu mu eyie se entinu mu esisi a me pa cho wo de abro anase wudu ni pedua no abro anase wankasa crop free stroke ede ma oni pedua no eno nti edro American for ede amount Spanish garlic mixture and capsules no numbi na beboa ama entinu mu ebiebie na moja no etimi afa entinu mu ede frusane eyie obi wo no ma ne de eye Johnson tentem obi de diabetes so what yem na so woni suta ebrio wo ye obi asabi wo Johnson tentem wo ye obi a wonya hwekra na wa ye buhu a edro American for ede ama Spanish garlic mixture and then a capsules me se to edro ne mienu nyina ebom na ye edro we esansa ye oba de no buna ne haba maako dunsia na afin so ye de garlic nso afrent no me pa cho me ma nansa one cause all the testimony ebeba metre adanse a wo befre e de abre doctor shekane ne na nanom benya hoden anaso mbenyini fefefe enyina chia na eye habama ye hye ne dudu omo tutu bia so omo pimpa bi no mo hwehwe bi no matete bi ye keka bom ne de asigya so ye de nso ta ho ye se dudu wo yade wo nyade wo benom edro yi ebi na ye de bi puno na ye tua bi na ye se bi ne de bi edware ne wo so bi eno nti abro ne abro nyina no mo wa hoden ankasa ne nei de hwese ye de ye habama ne si ye chi na yade aba be hia wo ye kwam mpanyimfo se me patro achia na emu ye sankofa wo nso ye nchi sabria doctor kofa by doctor wonim de na wosua de twede ampo edi nim de ndum no wa fa nka me ye watere ne nsam ebre ni wo se me kwa kopempa impokra wo enemre mu ye hunya me dua kra ye hu ane ende doctor se me de minim de ene wa keke no bra bebre abom enya afi na wo kɔ no we gu bottle mu okɔ pharmacy shop akɔ so Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules wo de water anu afre doctor ye be kye okwan obefa so wo benom no ene nia wo betwe ho afi ho ama aduro no aye adwuma ntem so e de amana so de wadanse aba wo de aduro so amepacho betimi anon Spanish aduro no aka ho wo sori anopa na onom dokota de na don hwere ba akom no wanom Spanish aduro no aka ho na oguso a wo nom de na nsasa akɔ check wo yade na anasafo no bu yade no na wo be ho adanse a aba wo yade no ho ye number no ekɔ WhatsApp ekɔ de mienu nyina efa ba bi a pese wo de fa bia amepacho fafa wo hwe mo TV ne so number no egu TV nanim fa ne frɛ doctor sesie sanse minim se mabɔ yade eso afi obi de eye sciatica ye ka sciatica me kire se wo to asintina etwon eba fa na kokomba nan poso wo sisi eye wo ya me ka se eno nsuo ne eto ye wo da ho saa esanse wo sasabro aba me pa atwa wo hia se ono no Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules na wo de wadanse aba me se ma me bi me hia na no pa e wo me kwan ano no de adanse abre me esanse wo se ma me tie wi ha ma tesa wo ka aduro bi ho asem me ha wo ni na me pressure ene me sasabro tete me na me ankasa kra na me kwoto aduro ne ma no ewi echi ono anso kotoye me hia na me kwan no se ya no de adanse eba esanse wo se ma me waboa me pa cho koto Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules ebi afa Spanish jingo capsules edro we eboa ema wadwene active eboa ma obi biara ne mfie ewo form na ne wedie nso enyini ekọ enimo abro ne mfie no ewo form a pa cho edro American for edi amount Spanish jingo capsules edro we be sese wedie no mu beye den na ma ho aye fefefe yenkwa ye dro ne boa ma adwene active anasa sharp arefie bia efri ne so ekọ koto Spanish jingo capsules afi uyi obi edru anadwa wontumi enna sa adwene betumi agina ne naso na enya ne duane de wo so mogya ne di ne padwane mo frusane eyi wohia so okeka Spanish edru ne mi ensa nyina ebom me pa atro ebre no nti je doctor number ne frɛ doctor CCA na ginchi mu aburu mi de eso na busa question bia opeso busa free doctor ye wo ya de no odru ane eno nti frɛ doctor ye number ne 0266 11 41 0266 11 41
Spanish. Thank you very much, my dear. Enjoy your day. Yene kanjin for to chinkomo na ensue enema eda ne ho adi ene enya agro kra. Baby a obefa bia no chase obi a busa kangen nas na kangen ni ye de ade kwan ba ne fa so ye ensue no ye ordinary water say Nembom obade nu bra minerals no calcium potassium any iron e wo muntino it goes into repair your body and then mautimi sipisita nipa bebre eno omu didi a omu bo chill sewa nom kengen pa na wanya heartburns ene enye kengen na onom ye na ene no omu wa hanom a omu be dan ne ma ba ko menu adidi a kyerwo na afidi a omu de ye nsuo no wahunu se wo pa bi ofi a obetima tobi na nsuo na nso so amu do a wo pe no obetima nya see you wa hanom atrase sanso so ena Sandra nso ha Steven so be kan ho na yedi nkomo me mama che ema mo akwaba.
All right, all mine yada say ye chia ahwefo ne atiefo anope em say kanjin dey start say bon de renyene de bia na ye ba studio say be kasa fa kangen alkaline water ye kanjin energy drinking water na anope so no yasem etia just like the introduction you did anope me tie your morning show no na mo kasa fa galamsey agriculture and in effect na you who say most of the food products are na producer yet I didn't say no almost spray so any chemicals and those chemicals no e bi o hwa idea na ababe high enti no and then you say you kasa efa hanging machine dey to me na afi dey chese in so no minerals ewom na afi adanse bi ama me bi di just 2 minutes video and no MCR for no am de be mine Then yedwumedie do also anka pese ye fa phone but into me fa phone because of edwumedie away ni minti no we would do this few things na fe yama ahwefo na etiefo ehu the potency of the Kangen energy drinking water purely alkaline nti anope men say bre no ye pese ye hwie yensuo no na meja ma Steven mra wakasa na ya plug I am say ya plugging podada nti Steven ewa he ni ye pese ye danima Steven na fe you back to Hana checking so any potency say ampamino.
Okay, Steve.
Yeah. On say Kangen energy drinking water. Ya na manfo bisa say nsuo no dem ko ana. Da no we bisa say nsuo na yadura yan kan kire omo na yenya say nsuo because omo no ma de ya omo hu no. Na de tie ne say Kangen energy drinking water electrolyte alkaline water. In a sense the technology I go through in its production no ade friend electrolysis. Now this electrolysis no the titanium coated platinum plate machine no ma change you no mienu enti the person demonstrate here ade nsuo no to me ye ene ade Kangen energy drinking water to me ye ena de emane dance na ye ka electrolyte alkaline water kra ene tie nsuo I go through electrolysis and as the electricity apply in sunum na minerals are good for nipadua no on say nipa bia on anti awiem anase honam shape the more than 50 no ulusu sodium ulusu potassium ulusu calcium from the nipadua no but electrolyte water no ade a ekuta sa minerals are mebo bossy magnesium potassium calcium, sodium, iron. Nina no very good at the many pediano. And Adibakwa excellent about Kangen energy drinking water. No say there are other waters. I will bet matters. If you walk out with color, say blue. But then not on my idea different additives. Edi akaho eno na ma etimi ema that color. But Kangen no eno no there's no additive. Enti machine no na is your Kangen water machine no ekuta titanium coated platinum plate negative poles and positive poles and no na extract minerals na if you ma Kangen ebe extraordinary water enti no pepper say demonstrating you Kangen water as you can say electrolyte alkaline water minerals woman there the person kire
mon demonstrate
and no mo bia etinye ho no water.
Bring us back to studio why never to penino so
Kangen energy drinking water.
Okay.
We so ordinary drinking water with your man so. I feel different bottle. Meanti you be can artist we a light bulb experiment. Andra will be friend from Koforidia. Or say doctor ni be say Kangen alkaline water and so you're dying. Na yes for ni be na me say doctor need at least you have to research and read about a product before you even condemn the product. If you don't know about the product, how do you condemn it? So how do we prove
apart from Kangen?
Yes, apart from Kangen.
A bit my pipe bond, a bit me any other bottled water. What negative ni positive. This all Fatumbio.
Media tumubium.
Odutum kanya
so. So there are no minerals. It is dead water. Your friend RO reverse osmosis. Ewu. Why? When you minerals name free more. The minerals will precipitate. And in so see we are not so pet. Ube say calcium na white was here. And there's all train some minerals ni na free so that the water can stay in the sun for long, bare 5 years.
Minerals na free.
Exactly. But with Kangen
no
good. Ode share more almost a light bulb na so because the minerals are very very dominant. The calcium, the magnesium. This yes, this is Kangen energy.
So
yeah. It was a light bulb now so but the baha is dead.
Edum Safa kwa habio. Safa bra. One show the usho ebe you say magical. Yes. Enye magic.
Aside that, when was that Stephen Kasafa PH no.
Okay, me ba me sha there.
Yes, please.
Etinsuo we no.
Ordinary water.
Ordinary water no. Uhwie Kangen guma ebe so. For kakra gum
ansa na de kakra be gum no. Me pese check pH so that
where pH
good. This is the pH.
Okay. Check on about I say move purple. Eno na Kangen no.
Kangen ni.
Ena ba no so page akose. Ningu no aya yellow. Okay. Eti
Kangen
na kakra gu we nim na ehwese color no be sesa. Bakade.
And after so yeah, the shame obon say
yeah,
soccer crash. So the minerals have now been introduced into the dead water.
It's the Siano.
Siano.
Light na so.
Exactly. Yeah, add the more bones, so it will become more brighter.
Now brighter. Now the energy ministry, we magic can't now my electricity.
It's better than Steve now running commentary. Then we go. Doctor
Matobogu prepare. Bonja, yes, you know, can't prepare now. You can hear every. Oh my God!
On my answer, water must have electrons. It must have potassium. I will say what magnesium. I will say what calcium. Some minerals. And no na man insuo no koni pedua no ma. One. Yes, insuo Kangen energy drinking water. Kuta one property. Your friend saying minute properties and as molecules. Na niwa yan kiting to no ma. And chena ni pedua na twi. And after so no emma minerals na wom no nipadua no timi fa minerals ni 10. So what it does ne say emma wo timi digest aduane ko wiyam a enche digest fast emma wo digestion level no ekosoro so balance the acidity in your system. Enti you can't drinking water upon say one ton nsuo mo ni nsuo mu gu ahodo. It is not every drinking water that is a good drinking water. Nsuo no we o test here it gives you 8.0 8.5 pH. And no, that's the potential of hydrogen, and that makes Kangen energy drinking water extraordinary. And one thing about insurance here, but we don't just talk, but we demonstrate what the water can do. Ye chere adi insurance 80 me. And no wonder nya wan sama for no Kangen energy drinking water. Or more edi insurance wa dance as though or man no drew, and so na enye drew. And this is a insure a whole fin every nipeduanum. And after so no essential balance acidity in your system. Insure be a magnesium, potassium, and iron be also a support to immune system. Inti so bi no Kangen energy drinking water na or ka say na me nsaye me titriti sisia ejai na me pressure was low sisia anormalize ana sempia or honoma na odidia onya acid reflux e be gira ne boma ne bo hyehye no afi ekwa Enya magic. It's because the water is an electrolyte alkaline water. The pH no good. Any acid be a womb until body no acidica. Onoma the air is neutralize the acidity, not balance the pH of the body. Even though blood pH doesn't shift easily, but then the more I consume acidic content, once you are acidic, drink our acidic. Even aduane ayedi, because every food has got its pH. Say udi fufu, udi banku, udi gari, udi obedi bia woni pH.
And content.
Carbonated drink bia ye no bia ni potential of hydrogen pH no enam 2.3 equal 2.5, which is highly acidic. Into udi sa nyama we nyina no na onom Kangen energy drinking water which is purely alkaline with a pH of 8.0 8.5 no. There any say and detoxify our system na ohoro ni pedua no enuntina obi odi kan no Kangen water no and one for the first time no utumi se nipa ntimi Johnson 10 what it does that's the process of detoxification in the system ade bia ye fi e woni paduam bia no ade a hohoro ema ekofom to Kangen energy drinking water no broni because it doesn't have a co-equal it's extraordinary in the market and ye be kan for dia ma obi a ye kan obi ho no opebi ato na so opedodo etu aton a ye numbers no omo mo share screen so TV so and afin so Facebook no e was screen so for the benefit of radio numbers no 0507 37 94 74 and 0241 44 91 0241 44 91. One extraordinary thing about it, they say, who place you order, maybe 10 packs, 20 packs, 30 packs, 40 packs, and I say, be a one casa, Jinoaton, Utuaton, within Kumasi and its environs, and so I had good come with the blue free, and then moreover, no price also very moderate. We share the 500 milliliters now 12 in a pack for just 25 Ghana cedis. 1 liter no 6 in a pack, and then you know together no the quantum no 6 liters and also 25 Ghana cedis per. And the Emma. The air can say this is electrolyte alkaline water rare and common in the market. And because of the technology I use, and the machine that produces at the back and only see way ketwa we K8 equal about 8 plates. That is titanium coated platinum plate now. A separate electrons, take out the acidity content and then other chlorine and maybe a emani peduan. Opens ya no more dia. The air can say yensu be an yensu. But if you want the best for yourself, that we are recommending say unsu any Kangen energy drinking water. Extraordinary for everybody.
All right.
Finally, the last but not the least, we talk insurance, making sure that we tax stamp no boss come. and Rami Wana, you're paying back where best run your office, a prophet James or say Amaniampo. You might know him any of my Amaniampo. Best try Ludo Mukama, almost in Sony the Ayamon, as I dance.
That's right, there's so much.
And see, this one, we are not here to argue with anybody. We are saying, say, grab your pH tester. When a can of crepe fit is a traffic light. Test the waters you are drinking on the market.
And you Kumasi traffic light.
if anybody will come and tell it's an insulin alkaline, why indicate it's a pH near 8.5?
My end testing share.
Very simple.
That's right. All right, thank you very much. And anopa bi ka kira mo say menua nasi ebaha na dwumadi kase bi ekoso jojo cha say ewo mu an ayira ewo mu an mehu no enya ayasam go to crab nasi sasene amon komo this young man next conference open oba next Liberty Conference, Moya Nasi anim. Oba Babe Sheki Kumasi, my brother. That's the other come on, I see. Okay. No problem to say.
Uncle Pardon me.
The Biabo call. I fresh you.
That's
I read say, Edru baby Namid, I say, omoto nwom na ne ne befa mu a ne dadam na say no young grofo nwom sa no no ne nwom wai
we release as that fina so first time I'm back Kumasi may grant you 1 or 2 interviews based on the program here no and then we into
and congratulations
thank you sir
award na come on
thank you if meet me answer questions ni nyina we heard the way humanity na say me shall say etonyum but Crawford starting home through sound engineering tina makoma pa there na I love producing people like I said staying behind the way no craft and then pushing way and mama energy more tina I wasn't having any intention say be me release me but even though gift no ho say be started to new man say be sound engineering but na me perceive nia media mama no me inject it in people's life so then I prefer that one to me start here no to be studio and you man banner say be we na yes sound yen say na maye then na wakwa kusua no aba
but you maybe now the only film kakra bi ama no na plastic
those are the things that nana me but unse nipa o ko wanim nyina no edu baby a nipa ma nipa hu nyansa won yoma bi ho and sometimes wo dwadwene sanka you want to kind of form a united front where ye nyina e betimi you push your hand but some of the people we beko no said me da say and I say we cry no and even they find it so difficult to even mention say bia or simesi we na a record enwuma na say bia or so it got to a point where me who say say if you don't recognize my effort there then what is the point of me keeping on
there's a nipa na ma when nipa who say
yes then I have to just then say otwa met me ato until this idea me shall say put certain things together and ya me adom I mean me shall say we so from sorry we near there then as me who me near Lord and so then I have to put things together
you are Lord
and so tribe
why no tribe
it started from church it started from
the
church.
Name
the no tribe name honestly it when was said Lord did you say but realize said now because the idea a free church now based on the praise and worship sorry no your person will be a part of we so then we decided that it shouldn't be like but let's put we like to say a church where everybody can connect to the name it's no tribe you can no tribe and we sorry so ini adehye busua na se kono busua na se nso asona busua Yinyina ye be shame say nyame mba ye nyame aye. So that is when the No Tribe name, came and then, yeah.
You be but yeah, Shadi. Asida.
Yeah.
What was it? Asida. What was behind it? Obia to Asida. Uko gospel music's albums be Asida also.
Yeah.
Asida. But the way you couch your music, this very song, Asida. It has given you an award. And you know so by we have to say as a jar edere. TikTok, just a virtually obia. I remember I was watching one on your TikTok, the Asida challenge, and it became just say I want for talent to Ghana how. Ebi mukra di biki kan ho bi na nya agro. And I think kudos to your manager. I mean, I think the way a manner and near man also what was behind Asida?
Asida is more like as a life story, and then which everybody can relate to it. To say, oh Bobra, send them be kind. Nipa hunu yansa, and what me cause Asida me and the situation now. I say also be a power. And you have no one. The only person that you can talk to, you feel more secured and comfortable. Yankopon. And talking to Yankopon, Diana, I was like Abamubu questions upon questions.
God, why?
Because why sometimes we hear say Ebia, what will be for? And as waka so much will be. Nipa no aye nia afutu na wode mana kwanche na ebia wode amano no.
Aye ya amano.
Akoye mana aye.
Wo so de.
Wo de. And ho na fe na mpanifo be no mu bu se safo nsa no.
Safo nsa no.
Na akoye te se aden. Because me papa yo ohene na se owadwapade ani we ya aden ti na me ohene ba no. Me hu atete. Na ahenkwa na ebia nkwa wo fi edi de. Into be saying keep on asking so many questions, but not knowing that may prepare me for a better future ahead.
That's right.
You know, Osha for about 2014, Ebana Nankofon Shada and Timinka.
Yes,
it's more like I said, Wako Habination, Wako Shemusa. I won't say Bible the Christo need to talk audio. Send your cordial who says an taban a week or quarter say now or train to name of funta by for a sabano. Sana me who say ya may ye asida no ye na see. Tino de Miku see a prepare me for set the right time. No, he wants to talk to his people because we heard the whole way now. Asida song, no idea in the latter part of 2014. But the recording, everything was recorded, finished, everything mastered in 2015. Ananka was here.
A big concert.
Yeah.
And I'm told it was massive.
Yeah. And I think it's one of its kind. Like, UK
no.
Yeah. UK because next month.
Next month. More covered with UK.
And the only program, a gospel program.
Why covered?
Covered, if you say Yame Asidani, how we kind of reverence God. Can we? There's no word that you bet me they are
describing. No.
So at least that word means a Hebrew word. Is speaking in 4 different languages, countries. And if you listen, a Christopher so no say when we are no more Israel. So sometimes what pay a DBA stand out unique.
So you
see, and they pick Kavod and Kavod Oba Kavod programmer who like you have comedy, theater, and music. And a Christopher we've seen so many people going through like your fans a concert, a musical concert. We listen to music upon talent upon talent. One mountain stage, that's
right.
So that is the one face of what normally, like to say Christopher, what we have. It's only once a while, maybe somewhere Christmas, maybe I'll say, drama,
yes.
But say, what concert you have
drama,
a war. a Christian life, telling the story of a Christian, how the journey.
So it's like you go to Kavod and it's 3 in 1.
Yes, 3 in 1.
Ubenya music,
ubenya comedy,
and sana on your theater say. Abrabomu nsem ye be channel se senior chewo.
That's it.
Wow.
That's it. It's so unique and bubisa manager there no de bi I say ansana obe say me ye bibi no na nya ade a I just thought of it and I made it took me time. Now one program and now I'm so envious of his RTP. I was so envious of him. Say, wow, this guy's knowledge, idea, and they are so unique, like a rewarding media personality. Everybody will advertise for you for free. Oh, dear. So I wanted a concert, at least, it stands out. It's not the regular gospel program from worship to praise to I wanted something more. I believe say obi ba concert and so I'm not saying say other programs near unique. Unique. But I wanted a different way I can present my way because me when say nyame di bebre na hye me mu.
Okay.
To say if me when nuanom betimi ye nyina ye beka yetia bom na ya presentation man I fed there, why don't we just do that?
All right, Family Chapel International present Jojo Ahin Nana Yaw Furiata. Okay, you feel the vibe. Yeah. Okay, Nasi and Gifty Donko. Na nyame adoma Friday 21st, which is and then you bre our Family Chapel no 9 and nyasam kutroka Reverend Jojo Ahin and I just say oh host ye nuanomui till and 4 p.m. Nasi will be there. Now what will Nasi performance there apart from so here no you need to be with Nasi spirit filled unctioned also people know you the way but Uhuna Nasa stage is a different person altogether. Yeah. You would love to be under his unction and listen to good music. Now, Vijidi said, and the theme speaks for itself. I said, the presence. What presence? The presence of the Most High God. And to share Family Chapel 4 p.m. Susan so take Jojo Ahin is there, Nasi himself, and then Nana Yaw Furiata. You feel the vibe, I feel the vibe. So it is a blend of all. Namijidi say Nyankopon Twedi Ampon so be sane. It is in worship that you see his might. He inhabits the praises of his people. Neade. Na me no din komo. Oh boy, oh yeah, ayinima NDC no. Did you have problems?
From beginning, no, yes. Then I said I feel na yet nyoma bi ase. And as on said nyoma Ghana for ya no more passionate about mostly football.
Politics.
And then politics.
And religion.
And religion, yes. Yeah, very particular about we echo Pentecost and I say, open say, what church here better than yeah, more particular about those things. And then, and here the politics in the SWA, there be attention, no one, between these two giant parties, NDC and NPP. And NDC for Nyawa, we are there. MPP forcing Yawa, Yanka, we dia. So, we are no more my political party biana other side of the people who say to say we betray or more love because you have love from both sides. Until NDC for per wasem, MPP for so per wasem. But the education na intimate because
you're a musician and you're a businessman.
What you say? Senya yina yentimi enye adwuma baako. Na ansa na say yina yentimi shata de baako no. Edum ne debi wo ho no apesa wo hye ebi a t-shirt.
But say wo no you were approached by the NDC. Did the MPP approach you and he said Onyana?
No.
Okay.
Me even cry no me political songs are me way. It started from MPP way back. We started from President Kufuor 2000 and 2004, 2008, and I'm joining another campaign team. Believe in Ghana, we yet toured the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh, and NDC 2011, and President Mahama of Fami Adamfo. and then 2012 and I'm a year Debi a man
Debi John Mahama Debi
yes and at 2016 yeah Onapo yes
and also the another part
and a year 2020 Okada no
Okada okay and all your songs are punchy
yeah nti nia where omunyina ya menamfo be wonamfo both sides ni nyina and nia wo pese me yema wo bisa me me yama
so even PP cast omuhia nyom na yema ma
me yama because bigi this a microphone yes MPP for about for MPP microphone and this is for more
and akunya na kra na MPP tia and this tia
what you say nti no sene me so me run studio me quarter equipment ni fi abrochire ba no ya nchro MPP and NDC won sene me rent studio ni de microphone enyo to for ba be record omo nyom MPP ba me ho mo te so mo ye me clients omo be ye
that's right
my charge o ma jimi sika my adwuma wi nti no there's no connection. What you say? Then no question na makana say President Mahama afami Adam for way back in 2011 until now he's still a friend. I mean now you cross a friendship to become a son. Because of whom ya yeah we also me bano wa he and he will call you come home. So I don't think say who tie me anasa wo bia wo kase tia me senka
etimo pobi tia me
se wo because opani bi say ya watimi adiga ne me pen o san pray say we na oye wadamfo ana say wunim obi kro nim na obeka say o me mpenasem lumba ne kana say bi say wo say me my say then go wunu ya ne me anka wo mpe
me no ya dwen
and honestly speaking me people should understand say me run the studio and the juma na me ye bia no so no yetua meka ade no yetua meka there were places in so friendship also comes in
okay
and I me workers in so internet say man kwaji adwuma me dey na metua me workers in so ka and this is 2024 politicians are giving lots of employment to canopy renters ni chair renting chairs ni sound stage anyway near. So what's it? Radio stations, TV stations are taking a lot of contract playing TV kind of saying TV ad political advertising. It's more like 3 times the regular charges that we charge.
Yes.
Nti ade ntina mo dey mo right to take those jobs no to play. Na me rane meji kind of saying ebi na me so me ye bia o si hey what they mean and the radio presenters they will so jagumusa then you see now public
time
not your time you know for sure ubenya time from beginning you know near but I kept on doing and telling people say maubun for me because o party now we don't know me nchi party no me do party no e party na ma me adwuma nye
to party ne de adwuma bre
o ma me adwuma ya me
all right na see na moten in kano eda na sepa ba na nko betimi akoba bia no pay wa say ne bre ne abetwetwe nkomo menim say you love this man continue to love him he's a musician of repute wa nipa wa boa wo mama mabo nyuma ne nyum ye oteno enye ba kokra eno and then you 4 p.m. let's all meet at Family Chapel. My papa Bishop Reverend Bishop Osei our Family Chapel. Na bibia anya dey enkoso kama. Nazi, thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it so much
for giving me this big opportunity.
But next August o back Kumasi.
Any problem.
So we akoye in July.
You July. You saw we US ni
US na August. Senior August. Thank you so much, my brother. All right, give us. Now what to say? Bibi Aboko, what we tell you to pay.
Well, Yama Ghana for Aquabana, Yama Wanachin from Santa Manager to Sompa 93.1 megahertz Casafedia to Sansa live on Sompa television. Motienka, Sabre said, near the Apomodin Comma free givers about center. Asuya Quancha for penning Dr. Solomon Kwabi. And so down. Now, Doctor see me so Sawapomuti saying, Asawapomuna within the next 30 minutes. Nakopon Benamian, Sunday, Apomodin Pa. Wopeno when sa etimiaka, you know, who do num, a war a jasso. and any Ghana for Baba who and come on, you will give us P capsules and I think co capsules. A bois, Nene, I'm a man, a thing holder when you put any Munano, to a seer at the free honor for 1 hour when I think a salmon, so I work from a bronis, the low libido bois, and sweat to me up Pija a musan, so now give us GC mesture, give us GC capsules and so bois. Now, if we are in, I found related infections in Gano, tuning in I say Eddie a free pedian, any pediano, and ya hot to shrunk one, was set on so enya sanso and I think I did give us about mesha and so our home said malaria, typhoid and it joined us now survey as immune booster at the ama Winnipeg and a bibia and so at me a coffee and tibiana with Tian via our commercial kemu and chibia na usi from Sanson Afe Casamu Casafidino and baby I would now water and then chibiana was sorry at the free home the obeyaness of Bagiana 0543
0543
222 470 now what's a mini and Eddie Jumana Yakupon again snap on modern pa once so wopena once at Timmy Aka Nation it is a number number to Janessa WhatsApp number and tene baby bia hey free uti free the same po woman on it and asa brochure obetimi at the WhatsApp message and so afa WhatsApp so na how bia once one ma wo komuno wetimi and so Eddie atu yen kind nation and say oh here live on TV a number na bu screen no so into beje bre na what to was na what show no kama na wafrey na wonen and so at me abo and come yen chat see and free givers about mesha de bia meka se givers here brama sense of urgency akwahwo yen person ne obeye de fene selective justice men yi yare ne mo ahwe a de ogidi ye se enkun no eno ene bekun eno eye de di kan ye toso mienu de bia meka se ye ba ye over the years no ene ye nton adro ne keke ye ton adro no de ma no na ye church onyoma hodo a we ya emwa ni pedua no na abon homoden anso atimi atwon ho ade afri ho sene ye be ya ene modi adro ne di dwuma obenya value for your money na they say give us about mixture and so our hanum say ne eboa serve as immune booster e dey ama Winnipeg and dey bia meka say o may bia akọ dey fene say political instability mentem ho asen to kwan ketenkete say the police for kọ na ne police for ntimi and di dwuma so said ye pa dey etwa to okra e ya chafo and am so one day ahwoden hwonko dodo na so hwro won sounds ne Winnipeg no the last point of kwa was enya ahwoden hwonko na sorry editor yare ho de beba ni pedua nim no no eye de friend say wo immune system na obi kra ebeka say immune system no was say ne menya ahwoden hwonko na answer na ebenya ahwoden na agese ne wa forgive us about message dro no na watimi de di dwuma obefre na wapeye dro no bi ato on 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 na watimini and so adi dwuma na we immune system no your component ahodo bia ni na ekafua ema de nya ide fene say a complete healthy immune system ya mo white blood cell or complement system na afi or thymus ni na ekafua na ene yare hodi bebe ni pedua ni no atimi akon ade asi ano kwan onse obi wo hono ma obe yare onno maduro anase mpo obe no maduro nanso onno bebrebe obo se be over time naturally yare na so aye afi ni pedua ni bon ka ya mo Sompa immune system that's one what in someone so form now obi ho na ma wayare ache wa ho specialist one mo nura hodo na so so yare ni ntimi enko no bon ka ya mo ho se na dia fene say recognition and identification of diseases and infections no immune system na ntimi keep records and data of yare hodo bi e be ni pedua no so na esa ababiem nti we bon ka ya mo ho se ampa sa dwumadie no enya de se timi din to be give us about me do na one no na aboa boost immune system na sounds a general web in a drew into the men train and my ribbon canny pedian and train my immune system no and so enyemra and san and one so what to me up a give us about Mr. Dunibi and Sana Wodi a dijuma de bianca malaria research amia who say a bibi mem hanum said the idea say a queen pa
that's right
na and they will give us about Mr. Adrono now with the dijuma na idea say what 3,500 species of mosquito now the other common ones spans where the female anopheles mosquito and after the male mosquito the on one ka into the bia so who sent tontoma ba be si Winnipeg no so nan so onka wa na ka say tontom bema na oba ne de on obehia moja de ato ne nkosu ntine okawa na bopu de fene plasmodium parasite ma wane de agu wumu eno bedam so ama wanya de fene malaria na onya malaria wona ante kakra be na wabre obon sa afem po muntimi endidi wo sha asese wo loki pill why hoya ni nyina ebon kaye wo sha asese ye hye we nyina ebon kaye am ho sampa wanya de ye fene say ye malaria fever and so ma wane bi abo mogem to de ane se ne obepa give seba mixture duro give seba mixture duro e tuni nyina ase de ye free ni pede ne mo be frɛ on 0543 222 470 na watimini ya nso edi dwama typhoid e tuni nyina ase enso de free ni pede ne mo abra samonella typhoid enso atimi ma ba ni pede ne mo abra wanom inso ahodo aye ntreat ya mwawa enso me na afa aduane ya yen contaminated give us P capsules and afa give us co capsules enso eboa na ene wana tenka seme from ko kwa ba ni pede no so sebio blood vessels are stretching wo eno so no eboa gini na afi hono me ne wasoma ya ohini nyina na eboa na ma ni nyina nso atimi akosa nso na afa wana tenka seme from oba ba ma ni nyina no mo fa bi no na eboa ma bibia akonka obefrɛ na yede ni nyina abawie ya on 0543 222 470 222 470 na channel se number na WhatsApp number nti no ene o WhatsApp ya ebetimi ne mo adi nkomo so wa ama ne na afa ba bia otie bia free herbal shops ahodo nyina o man Ghana mo kwa so pe give us product and pharmaceutical shops ba bia ton robia na woni en adi dwuma
give us okay quickly let me have it yen show mo mudi a wodan no ene Regina amankwa senso of Efijasi Oyoko birthdays Regina amankwa senso Oyoko Abid hello Safo Regina amankwa senso Efijasi Oyoko Abidan Papaya Kranche Osaberima Educational Complex Linda Karim of Boakye, and then Comfort Crunchy, student of Achim Odan Community Health, Akosia Wumbe, Manager Daniel, so Martinkwa, Akosia Wumbe, Wamau, Benedicta Ohiniwa of Santasi. This is from Kelvin. I was afraid to see a yakramo. Or don't do me a